Welcome aboard the hottest new boat to hit American shores this year. We just offloaded her in Palm Beach a few weeks ago. We're heading down to Miami. But before then, we wanted to stop off in Fort Lauderdale to show you what the art of living truly is about. Welcome aboard the brand new Prestige M7. As the newest addition to the Prestige M line, the M7 fills a key space between the enormously popular Prestige M48 and the Prestige flagship, the M8. On the outside, her striking lines balance form and function into something approaching a dynamic work of art. On the inside, it will only take you a moment to realize this yacht offers the sort of volumes, of sensory experiences, of luxurious comforts you typically find on super yachts. As we mentioned earlier, this is what the art of living really is all about. She truly is a home on the water. Every texture, every surface is an exercise in refinement, forever linking true comfort with the connection to the sea. The best way I can illustrate this is by showing you our beautiful staterooms. From our luxurious owner's apartment with a gorgeous ensuite bath, complete with a separate shower and head with ample storage opportunity, perfect for those month-long cruising adventures, to this beautiful VIP stateroom with gorgeous seaside views and impeccable ergonomics that will keep your guests finding excuses to stay longer. Light is also a key element of the decor. It's everywhere, from balancing the materials to accentuating the volumes and coloring your day when you're out on the water. And believe me, you will be spending a lot of time out on the water. The Prestige M7 is an extremely capable cruiser, built with everything you could ever need for your extended, long-range adventures. Yet there are no compromises, no concessions, no constraints. It's like living on your own customizable cloud, savoring every moment of every day. And this is just a glimpse of what the Prestige M7 has to offer. We're heading down to Miami tonight, and we hope to see you there or anywhere, so you can check out the hottest new yacht that everyone is talking about. The yacht that erases concepts of volume and space to create a true sensory experience out on the water. The yacht that embodies the art of living and the art of living well. We'll see you out there.